Yo, what is up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Google Voice on TikTok. So as you know, the text to speech voice has changed recently and some people don't like that. So if you want to go ahead and use the Google text to speech voices, then I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a video editing app, and the one that I recommend is CapCut. So you can go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and then in the search bar you just want to search for CapCut, this app right here. Make sure you go ahead and install this onto your device. And then the next step is you want to go ahead and take a video of yourself that you're going to use as your TikTok video. So I'm going to go to my camera, and then you would just go ahead and record a quick video. Now I have a video pre-recorded that I'm going to go ahead and use, so I will exit out of the camera, but go ahead and record your video using your phone's camera. The next step is to head over to your browser, and then in the Google search bar you just want to search for Google text to speech. So you can just write Google text to speech, and then you hit the search result. Now once you've gone ahead and typed in Google text to speech, you'll see a whole bunch of apps that pop up. Now you can download the Google text to speech app, but the easiest way is to just scroll down and then go to the text to speech website. So it's this one by cloud.google.com text to speech. You tap on that, and then once you're on this page, you just want to scroll down until you find where you can type the text. So here's the text. So you'll go ahead and put your text in this box, and you can go ahead and select your voices by tapping voice name, and then you can choose between the different voices. You'll just have to go ahead and play the voices to find out which one you want to go ahead and use. But then you just delete all this text, and once you've deleted all the text, you're going to go ahead and type the text that you want to have the voice say on your TikTok video. So I'm going to say, if you getting value from this, hit the like and subscribe for more. Now I can go ahead and say speak it, and then this will play back, and it'll just have to say, I'm not a robot.
If you're getting value from this, hit the like and subscribe for more.
So that was a male voice, and you can just scroll down, and I think this one here is a female, so I'll speak this voice.
If you're getting value from this, hit the like and subscribe for more.
Okay, so you can just play around with the different voices and choose the one that you want. But to go ahead and capture this voice, you need some sort of screen recorder. So you can head back to the Play Store, and if you're on an Android device, you can go ahead and download AZ Screen. It's this one here, AZ Screen Recorder. You can install this. If you're on an iPhone, you should have a built-in screen recorder. And then what you want to do is you want to launch your screen recording app and hit record. And then you're going to record that voice saying the text. So you make sure your volume is on. Now I have my screen recorder on already, and I have a pre-recorded clip, but you'll just go ahead and start your screen recording. So on my phone, I swipe down from the top of the screen, and there you can see at the bottom left hand corner it says screen recorder. I would tap that, and then I would go back to the text to speech, and then I would just tap on replay.
If you're getting value from this, hit the like and subscribe for more.
And then that would be captured, and then you can stop the screen recording. And then the next step is you want to go ahead and go to a website called Cloud Convert. So if I type in the search bar Cloud Convert, there it is right there. This is how we're going to convert our screen recording video into an MP3. So tap on Cloud Convert, and then you want to go ahead and select your screen recording file. So tap on Select File, and then I'll go to Files on my device. And there's my pre-recorded clip that says Google Voice TikTok. And that's an MP4, as you can see. So I'll tap on that file, and it says Convert from MP4, and then you type 2. And then you can say audio, and then you choose MP3. So it's going to convert from MP4 into MP3, and then you just tap on convert, and then that should just take a moment to go ahead and upload. And this is the MP3 file that we're going to be using in the CapCut video editor to put our video together. So once this is done in a second, so now the video has been converted into an MP3, so you can just tap on download, and that will download to your device. Now we're ready to put our video together. So launch the CapCut app that you downloaded, start a new project like I just showed you, and then import the video that you took with your camera, and then just tap on the blue circle, and then just tap on the circle at the top right, and then tap on add. Now you want to go ahead and add the audio track. So at the bottom there, tap on audio, then tap on sounds, and then you want to go ahead and say from device, and then you want to go ahead and find the MP3 file that you just downloaded from Cloud Convert. So I'll just go ahead and find that. Okay, so I found the MP3 file there. You can see it at the top. It says Google Voice TikTok, and now it's an MP3. So I can go ahead and tap the plus icon on the right hand side to add that into my video. Now, as you can see, I have the video clip above, and then you can see the audio track there at the bottom. But you can see there's kind of blank spaces of emptiness in the beginning and at the end. So we need to tap on the audio track, and then you can just slide those sliders from the left hand side and the right hand side, and then just trim this to where the MP3 file starts. So now it's been trimmed, and then you can obviously move it to the beginning. So long press on the audio track, and then you can move it all the way to the beginning. Now, as you can see, the video track is longer than the audio track, so we can trim the video track down so it fits into one equal video. So just play around with it until you get the trim right. Okay, so I've done that. Now you can see the audio track is the same length as the video track. And if I go ahead and play this,
If you're getting
so as you can see, we have the Google text-to-speech voice on our video now. So you can remove this ending by just tapping on there where it says ending, and then you can just hit the delete button if you don't want that ending in there. Now to export this so you can upload it to your TikTok, you go ahead and tap the up arrow there with the line underneath it at the top right hand corner, and then you just set your settings. I will say 1080p at 30 frames, that's fine. Then you just hit export, and then that will just take a moment. So it says save to device and your project, so tap on done at the top right. Now that should be in my camera roll. So if I go to my phone's camera roll, this should be the video right here.
If you're getting value out of this video, then hit the like button and subscribe for more.
So that's now all ready to upload to TikTok. So we can go ahead and go to TikTok, then tap the plus icon at the bottom in the center. And then all you need to do from here is to tap on upload at the bottom right. Select your video that we just created in CapCut. Tap on next at the bottom right.
If you're getting value out of this video, then hit the like button and subscribe for more.
Then tap on next at the top right. So I'll just mute this so it doesn't annoy you. And now you can go ahead and add the text if you want to go ahead and do that of what you just said in your video. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so I've typed out the text. I'll just make it look like this and tap on done, and then I'll just resize it and then just put it there or something like that. And I'll put the volume on so you can hear it again.
For more. If you're getting value out of this video, then hit the like button and subscribe for more.
Okay, so as you can see, that worked out pretty good. Then you'll just go ahead and tap on next at the bottom right hand corner, and then you can go ahead and go through the posting process. Now, the nice thing about using the Google text-to-speech feature to do this is that you have way more voices to go ahead and choose from. So I hope this video helped you out today. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more TikTok tips. Take care.